Alright, a quick tip on Honda power steering fluid. As you can see, I got some Honda power steering fluid spilled right here because I'm working right here. You want to avoid getting it on the drive belt. You do not want to get Honda power steering fluid on the drive belts or on the pulleys or the tensioner. If you get it on the drive belt, it can cause it to stick to these pulleys. Same thing, if you get it on the pulley, it's going to cause the belt to stick to it. And if you get it in the tensioner, it can destroy the bearing inside the tensioner. So you want to avoid getting power steering fluid on these belts at all costs. If you do, you probably want to hit it with some brake clean real quick and get it off. And while I'm thinking of it, always use genuine Honda power steering fluid. I would not recommend using anything else. And as always, hey, if this tip helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.